Watch this video to become educated on the stock market. Getting into trading stocks appeals to many people, but the choice should only be made after careful consideration. This video will discuss some of the most important tips that you should consider before purchasing stocks and risking your hard-earned money. Continue watching for more information. Do not look at investing in the stock market as a hobby. It is something that has a lot of risk involved and it should be taken very seriously. If you do not have enough time, effort and patience to take it seriously, then you should not get yourself involved with it. Remember that individual stocks do not necessarily represent the entire market. A decent stock may soar while the overall market tanks, while a bad stock may plunge in value when the rest of the market is thriving. This is why it's a good idea to diversify the types of stock you own, choosing stocks from a variety of companies in many different industries. Investing in the stock market requires patience. This is because a significant part of investing involves putting faith in future performance. It can be easy to miss out on huge potential returns if you are impatient. While it can be difficult to learn to be patient, this does not mean your investments should suffer for it. If you are simply not the patient type, you can always find a professional to manage your investments for you. You may want to consider using an online service as a broker. This will give you the added security of having a broker as well as the freedom to trade as you wish. This gives you the best of both worlds, allowing a professional to handle half of your investment choices, and you to deal with the rest. When you do this, you gain more control of your investments while still having that professional assistance. Do not invest your safety money in the stock market. Even conservative and dividend stocks can take a beating on any given day. The 6-month income you have saved up for a rainy day should go into a money market account or a latter tier of certificates of deposit. After this, you have a green light to play the markets. Anyone can find the stock market appealing. The temptation is almost too hard to pass up. The more you know, the better informed your choices will be. Apply the tips you read and you should soon be making the best decisions possible. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.